Make your bed every morning. I made my bed neatly before breakfast. Put your toys away after playing. I put all my toys back in the box after playtime. Help set the table for dinner. I helped Mom set the table with plates and forks. Clear your plate after eating. I cleared my plate and put it in the sink after dinner. Water the plants every day. I water the flowers in the garden every morning. Feed the pets on time. I fed the cat before going to school. Pick up your clothes from the floor. I picked up my clothes and put them in the laundry basket. Fold the laundry with Mom. I helped Mom fold the clean clothes. Wipe the table after meals. I wiped the crumbs off the table after lunch. Sweep the floor in your room. I swept my room to keep it tidy. Dust the shelves in the living room. I dusted the shelves and cleaned the books. Help wash the dishes. I helped Dad wash the dishes after dinner. Organize your bookshelf. I organized my books neatly on the shelf. Help carry groceries from the car. I carried the grocery bags from the car to the kitchen. Match the socks after laundry. I matched all the socks together after they were washed. Help bake cookies. I helped Mom bake cookies for everyone. Wipe the windows clean. I wiped the windows so they shine brightly. Take out the trash. I took out the trash and put a new bag in the bin. Help vacuum the carpet. I helped Mom vacuum the carpet in the living room. Wash your hands before eating. I always wash my hands before eating dinner. Help put away groceries. I helped put the groceries away in the pantry. Sort the recycling. I sorted the recycling into the right bins. Clean up your art supplies. I put away my crayons and paper after drawing. Help sweep the porch. I swept the leaves off the porch. Clean your shoes before going inside. I wiped my shoes clean before entering the house. Help Mom cook dinner. I helped Mom stir the soup for dinner. Rinse the fruits before eating. I rinsed the apples before eating them. Help Dad wash the car. I helped Dad wash the car on Saturday. Pick up your backpack after school. I picked up my backpack and put it in my room. Wipe the bathroom sink after brushing teeth. I wiped the sink clean after brushing my teeth. Put your shoes in the closet. I put my shoes neatly in the closet. Help clean the kitchen counters. I wiped the kitchen counters after Mom cooked. Hang up your jacket when you come inside. I hung up my jacket in the closet when I came inside. Help Dad mow the lawn. I helped Dad mow the lawn on Sunday. Wipe up any spills immediately. I wiped up the juice spill on the table. Help Mom clean the bathroom mirror. I helped Mom clean the bathroom mirror so it's shiny. Sort your toys into boxes. I sorted my toys into different boxes. Help water the garden. I helped Mom water the flowers in the garden. Wipe down the kitchen table after eating. I wiped down the table after breakfast. Help fold the towels. I helped Mom fold the clean towels. Organize your school supplies. I organized my pencils and notebooks in my desk. Help Dad with the barbecue. I helped Dad grill the burgers on the barbecue. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry. I put my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Help clean the microwave. I helped Mom clean the inside of the microwave. Wipe the refrigerator door clean. I wiped the fingerprints off the refrigerator door. Help make your lunch. I helped Mom make my sandwich for lunch. Clean up your art mess. I cleaned up the paint and brushes after art time. Wipe the light switches. I wiped the light switches to keep them clean. Help dry the dishes. I dried the dishes after Mom washed them. Sort your clothes by color. I sorted my clothes into colors before laundry. Help sweep the kitchen floor. I helped Mom sweep the crumbs off the kitchen floor. Help wash the vegetables. I helped Mom wash the vegetables for dinner. Clean the door handles. I cleaned all the door handles in the house. Help Dad take out the recycling. I helped Dad take the recycling bins to the curb. Put your books back on the shelf. I put my books back on the shelf after reading. Wipe the TV remote clean. I wiped the remote to keep it clean. Help sort the mail. I helped Mom sort the mail when it arrived. Organize your craft supplies. I organized my glue, scissors, and paper in a box. Help Mom wash the windows. I helped Mom wash the windows so they sparkle. Pick up sticks in the yard. I picked up sticks in the yard after the windstorm. Help Dad organize the garage. I helped Dad clean and organize the garage. Put away your shoes. I put my shoes in the shoe rack by the door. Help clean the dining chairs. I wiped the dining chairs to make them clean. Help Mom chop vegetables. I helped Mom chop carrots for the salad. Clean your toothbrush after use. I rinsed and cleaned my toothbrush after brushing. Help carry the laundry basket. I helped Mom carry the laundry basket to the bedroom. Wipe the banister clean. I wiped the staircase banister clean. Help clean the kitchen sink. I helped Mom scrub the kitchen sink. Pick up the toys in the yard. I picked up my toys from the yard before coming inside. Help wash the bathroom tiles. I helped Mom wash the tiles in the bathroom. Put away the groceries in the pantry. I put away the cereal and snacks in the pantry. Help fold the sheets. I helped Mom fold the sheets after laundry. Water the indoor plants. I watered the plants in the living room. Help clean the coffee table. I wiped the coffee table in the living room. Help clean the bathtub. I helped Mom scrub the bathtub clean. Put away the dishes in the cupboard. I put the clean plates back in the cupboard. Help wash the car windows. I helped Dad wash the car windows. Organize your toys by size. I organized my toys by big and small. Help Mom make the salad. I helped Mom mix the salad for dinner. Clean the mirrors in your room. I wiped the mirrors in my room so they're clean. Help Dad clean the barbecue grill. I helped Dad clean the barbecue grill after dinner. Pick up your crayons after coloring. I put my crayons back in the box after coloring. Wipe the kitchen counters clean. I helped Mom wipe the kitchen counters after cooking. Help sort the laundry by color. I helped Mom sort the laundry into whites and colors. Dust the picture frames. I dusted the picture frames in the living room. Help clean the bathroom floor. I helped Mom mop the bathroom floor. Organize your shoes in pairs. I organized my shoes in pairs in the closet. Help Mom bake a cake. I helped Mom mix the ingredients for the cake. Clean your water bottle after use. I washed my water bottle after using it. Help Dad sweep the driveway. I helped Dad sweep the leaves off the driveway. Wipe the kitchen cabinets. I helped Mom wipe down the kitchen cabinets. Help pack your lunch. I helped Mom pack my sandwich for school. Put your dirty dishes in the sink. I put my dirty dishes in the sink after dinner. Help Dad rake the leaves. I helped Dad rake the leaves in the yard. Wipe the doorknobs clean. I wiped the doorknobs in the house. Help Mom with the grocery list. I helped Mom write the grocery list. Help Dad clean the tools. I helped Dad clean his tools in the garage. Pick up your blocks after playing. I put my blocks back in the box after playing. Help Mom clean the stove. I helped Mom clean the stove after cooking. Help Dad paint the fence. I helped Dad paint the fence in the backyard.